In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to connect everything up. We'll start with your power supply, then we'll go over connecting to your sound system and which cables to use in which situations. We'll also show you how to connect external audio equipment into the mixer's inputs. Finally, I'll show you how to set up and use your mic and headphones. The first thing you'll need to do is plug in the power cable. You can then hook the cable around this harness here to keep it from being pulled out accidentally. There's no power switch on the back of the unit, it's actually a soft standby on the front of the unit. At this point, it's a good idea to make sure your speakers are switched off before connecting to them. Plugging in live can damage your speakers. Here we have the PIONEER XDJ-AERO speakers, which have a choice of XLR, RCA, and quarter-inch jack inputs. Depending on your sound system, you'll need to choose the right cables. The XDJ-AERO has a choice of RCA and balanced jack. If you're just using the AERO at home, then it's completely fine to use RCA connections. If you're likely to run the cables over long distances, you should use the balanced jack connectors because they reduce interference. If your sound system only has XLR inputs, you can get quarter-inch jack to XLR, or even RCA to XLR, or use converter plugs like these. The XDJ-AERO has a built-in mixer, allowing you to add external audio equipment into your mix. On the back, there is one stereo connection for each of the two mixer channels, and you can choose to switch these between line and phono mode. To connect line-level sources like CDJs, flick the switch over to line and then connect your RCAs. If the sound is distorted, it's because the switch is in the wrong position. When you connect a turntable, there is a single grounding terminal here that you can ground to, and you will need to flick the switch over to phono or the sound will be too quiet. The last things you'll need are a pair of headphones and a microphone. The headphone connection is on the front here, and you have the option of plugging into jack or mini jack, making it easy to connect any type of headphone. The microphone connector is also a quarter-inch jack, which is connected at the back here. In the next video, we'll be showing you how to update the firmware on your device before you begin playing. If you have any questions about what we've covered, you can discuss them online with other PIONEER users and PIONEER experts at forums.pioneerdj.com.